Environmental Studies Standard 5. Lesson number 6. Rules are for everyone. So in this lesson, first of all, we will learn what is meant by rules. The statement which tell us what is allowed or what is not allowed in a particular society or situation is said to be a rule of social life. That is, हम लोग को क्या करना है, क्या नहीं करना चाहिए सोसाइटी में रहते हुए, इसी को रूल्स कहा जाता है. रूल्स मीन्स नियम. हमारे सोसाइटी में जो नियम बनाए जाते हैं वो क्यों बनाए जाते हैं, वो सब हम आज सीखेंगे. रूल्स स्पेसिफाइज द ड्यूटीज़ एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ ऑफ ईच पर्सन. एक पर्सन का क्या क्या ड्यूटी होनी चाहिए अपने सोसाइटी के तरफ. दैट इज़, we should not throw the garbages here and there, we should put it in proper places, we should drive in the proper route holding the left side only, so we should not cross other person from the right side. So those are the rules. Then rules are applicable to everyone equally. Rules are for everyone. Everyone have to maintain the rule and it is equal for everyone. That is, no one is above the rules and there are to be followed to make our daily life disciplined and make our work more efficiently. So if the traffic is moving continuously and they are not maintaining the discipline and maintaining the rule, so what will happen? Accidents will happen. So that's why traffic rules are also made, and the basis of rules is equality. That means it is equal for everyone, for each and every person, and there is no discrimination in punishment for breaking the following rules. That is, no one will be left. It may be a minister, it may be a police person, will not be left if he does a mistake. Everyone have to be punished or everyone should get the equal punishment. Now we will see some traffic rules. See the first picture. Here is head ups, that is mobile is made a cut mark. That is, we should not use mobile phones while driving our cars. Next one is, we should cross the road by looking both the sides before crossing the road. The third one is a zebra crossing through which the pedestrians walks. That is, pedestrian means the persons who walk by the road, not by driving. So they should always cross the road through the zebra crossing only. Otherwise there will be accident. Then in this picture you can see the traffic signals. That is the red light for stop, then yellow for wait and green for go. So those are few traffic signals that you can see in these pictures. And if we don't maintain these traffic rules, then there will be accidents. Change in rules for the society. So as time passes by, there are certain change in the society. We make the rules for ourselves and we follow this rule because they are meant for the common good of us, and proper changes are also introduced in the rules made for the society. This is the difference between the rules of the society and the laws of the nature. That is, laws of nature does not change, it is constant, but the laws of our society changes. Laws of nature means that is the rising and setting of sun, then tides. Here in this picture we can see the laws of nature, that is the change of season, rising and setting of sun. So laws of gravity, the rising and falling of tides, phases of moon, all are laws of nature. And the laws of nature are constant, I have said previously, fixed and cannot be changed by anyone. These laws of nature never become outdated, that is, it remain constant. But the laws made by us goes on changing, but goes on changing means we used to change them according to the demand of the society or demand of the time. That is, we ourselves make rules for the better working of our society. The rules are to be followed for common good of the society. Unlike the law of nature, the human laws need to be changed with changing conditions. That also I have discussed. The law under the British rule were changed after India got independence. That is, previously our country was ruled by the Britishers, that is the people of England. But after that we got independence on 15th August 1947. After that our India government made constitution for our country, and that rules are mentioned in the book called Constitution. For example, previously the voting age of the people of our country was 21, and when India got independence we changed it, that is our constitution changed it to 18 years. After 1988 it was being changed to 18 years. Previously people used to vote after 21 years. After that it was being changed to 18 years of age. And so there are some traditions and customs that are not desirable. ऐसे कुछ कस्टम या ट्रेडिशन हमारे सोसाइटी में है जो ठीक नहीं है, जैसे कि कास्ट डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, ऊंच नीच का, भेदभाव का, और छुआछूत का, दैट इज अनटचेबिलिटी. सो द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंट इंडिया abolished the custom of untouchability. After India got independence, our rule book, that is the constitution book, abolished means destroyed the system of untouchability. Many times laws have been made to abolish this unjust custom, and previously customs were there like sati. Sati means the woman, that is the wife, was burnt with the husband after the husband's death. Then child marriage was there, and those laws were abolished and destroyed from our society. Then the law that banned the use of magic for cheating people was first enacted in Maharashtra. If people cheat others, then they were also being punished, and this law was made first in Maharashtra. Receiving a dowry, dowry means dahej lena, has been banned from this law. So there was law made to abolish dowry system. Wrong custom and tradition cause the neglect of some section of the society. They have no access to education. Somewhere some people don't get proper education, and they have no means of livelihood also. If we not get proper education, then how can we earn money? So therefore they have to face poverty. गरीबी आ जाएगा. अगर हम लोग पढ़ाई नहीं करेंगे तो गरीबी आ जाएगा. अगर हमको पढ़ाई करने का चांस नहीं मिलेगा, हम पढ़ नहीं पाएंगे तो गरीबी आएगा. Poverty and lack of education are the two big obstacles in our society, and we can only make progress together if we get rid of those obstacles. हमारे सोसाइटी में दो बड़े बाधा है, मीन्स प्रॉब्लम है, सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम जो कि दैट मीन्स ऑब्स्टकल्स, जो दैट इज पॉवर्टी मतलब गरीबी एंड लैक ऑफ एजुकेशन, जो पढ़ाई ना मिलने का पढ़ाई करने का अपॉर्चुनिटी ना मिलना. Now here we can see the picture that is protecting our environment. Just as laws are necessary to maintain equality and justice in the society, जैसे सोसाइटी को मेंटेन करने के लिए लॉ मतलब नियम का ज़रूरी है, like that laws are also required for the protection of our environment. हमारे environment को भी protect करने के लिए laws की, नियम की बहुत ज़रूरी है. So we are dependent on nature in many ways. Nature is giving us food, nature is giving us oxygen, we get sunlight from the nature, so for all those things we are dependent on nature. We receive also water from the nature, without which we cannot live at all. So most of our needs are fulfilled by nature. Natural resources should be available in enough quantities for the needs of our future generation. हम लोग ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पानी का इस्तेमाल खर्चा नहीं करनी चाहिए. हमारे नेक्स्ट जनरेशन के लिए पानी रहनी चाहिए, बचत करनी चाहिए. इसके लिए हम लोग पानी का वेस्टेज नहीं करनी चाहिए. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का भी हम लोग का स्टोरेज करनी चाहिए, सो दैट आवर फ्यूचर जनरेशन कैन यूज. वी शुड नॉट कट डाउन द ट्रीज so that there will be lack of oxygen for our future generation. Therefore we must conserve the natural resources. Natural resources matlab our nature, that is rivers, lakes, then or trees. So we should conserve them so that our future generation, हमारे बाद जो आएंगे, उनको जीने के लिए कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो. So therefore we must conserve these natural resources and we must use them very carefully. Now here in this picture you can see our social issues, that is illiteracy. The first picture, that is illiteracy means पढ़ाई ठीक से ना मिलना. Next issue is child marriage. Next is child labor. Then is superstition, that also we have learned before. So you can see the pictures of your textbook. Now we should know something about caste discrimination. Caste discrimination, gender inequality and lack of education for women were some of the big obstacles of our society. That also we have learned. Mahatma Jyotirao Phule, Rajashri Shahu Maharaj and Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar tried to get rid of this obstacle. ये बाधा को हटाने की कोशिश किया हमारे सोसाइटी से. सावित्रीबाई फुले then had a fight, a great battle for the women education. सावित्रीबाई फुले ने बहुत लड़ाई किया कि ताकि हमारे सोसाइटी के वोमेन ठीक तरीके से एजुकेशन ले सके. हर कॉलीग फातिमा शेख प्रोवाइडेड हर विथ वैल्यूएबल असिस्टेंट. उनमें कौन सहयोग दिया? फातिमा शेख ने. महर्षि धोंडे केशव कर्वे also did great work to promote women education. And the work of all these social workers was instrumental in bringing about positive change in our society. So those social workers of our country bring positive change in our country.